As a doctor, I need to tell you something about AI diagnosis that most patients don't know. These AI systems can now detect diseases in medical scans faster and sometimes more accurately than human doctors. But here's what you really need to understand. AI excels at pattern recognition in imaging, like spotting early-stage cancers in mammograms, or identifying diabetic retinopathy in eye scans. However, AI can't replace the clinical judgment that comes from examining you, understanding your symptoms, and considering your full medical history. The best outcomes happen when AI assists your doctor, not when it works alone. So when your doctor mentions AI-assisted diagnosis, ask them how the AI recommendation fits with your specific symptoms and medical background. This partnership between human expertise and artificial intelligence is revolutionizing healthcare. And as patients, you deserve to understand exactly how it's helping diagnose and treat your conditions. Or if you'd like to experience it for yourself, visit app.myaidoctor.ai. Our symptom checker creates a personalized summary based on your medical history, helping you understand your symptoms and recognize important red flags that may require medical attention. Remember, it's for educational purposes only. Always consult your own physician for medical advice.